Have a look at the state of this kitchen sink waste pipe work. What pipe work? This is gonna be fun. I was drafted in to do this job for somebody that I work with. So yeah, I was in for a nice little surprise as I hadn't seen what I was walking into. But the situation was that the customer had tried to clean out the waste pipe work, but they weren't able to get it all back together and some of the parts had fallen apart. So yeah, we were here to basically renew that waste pipe work. But the main issue I encountered was the grey pipe at the back of the cupboard in which these white pipes is to connect up to was quite high, which meant that it was difficult to get the right fall onto that grey pipe. And you want the right fall to stop the waste from blocking up, which is what I think was happening, hence why the customer had to keep on cleaning out the pipes. But the guy I work with likes to describe these types of plumbing jobs as Lego for adults, and well, I like a bit of Lego. So the keen observers amongst you may have noticed a black ring on the shelf of the cupboard that I was working in. That ring was in fact the rubber seal that's supposed to sit between the sink hole and the basket underneath. So you can imagine my surprise when I first tested the sink and water started peeing out from that connection.